Hello, my dear student and respected parents. I am happy to inform you that we have successfully started the new session and we have created very good environment. So I am very much happy. So I would like to share some points regarding new session. So as earlier also I told, school environment play very important role for future of student, and natural learning is also very important for student. So in some classes, like now I'm taking science in class 6 in both section, so I have seen they are become more and more interested. Why this is? Because conceptual learning, concept learning, natural learning, they are enjoying with science. So I want to create a very good environment in classroom, very much learning environment in classroom. So I have seen only few students are there who used to talk during class. These things we have to stop, we have to rectify, we have to make them understand. Actually, unnecessary involvement we should avoid. Involvement is necessary if someone is involving, someone is asking to their friends regarding any doubt, any study, that is good. But unnecessarily, without reason, if someone is sharing some information, spreading negativity, okay, that is not good for a class. And especially I have seen in class 9 also, now no involvement I am finding. Little bit are there, slowly it will rectify. Accordingly, other class also we have to improve. Almost many improvement I have seen. So I am requesting parents to motivate them to not involve unnecessarily in classroom. They should busy with their studies. Up to class 5, again I reminding, reading skill, writing skill and speaking skill is very much important. Here now every teacher used to teach in English in main subject. In Assamese, teacher used to speak in Assamese. Hindi, teacher used to speak in Hindi, and other subject teacher used to speak in English. So English is an international language. Assamese or mother tongue or regional language. Both languages important for us. Both languages we have to learn correctly. Both languages we have to speak correctly, because when we have to go abroad or other state, we must have know how to speak English. Even sometime I have seen when people used to go for treatment in outer state, even though in Assam state also. Recently I went to cancer hospital for my father. So since the doctor can explain in English in better way, but I have seen some communication problem is there. The patient could not explain properly. So English is needed, very much important. And it's depend on habit, it's a language. And language is okay, but concept is more important. For example, mathematics, science, students should naturally learn. Otherwise, what happen in 11, 12, they will suffer, they will face lots of problem. And more important thing, I am repeatedly telling that students should avoid little bit of comfort zone. Comfort zone, if once have comfort zone, they don't want to do hard work, or if they will face little bit problem, they become panic. This is most important. Okay, we have to be bold, we have to be strong, we must have a sustained power, and this should be developed naturally. So I am working on it, and I want your support, I want your cooperation. Okay, so compared to last session, this session we have developed lots of things, only need your support. I'm trying to engage them in study naturally, not forcefully. And in some classes we have to put more focus. In this time we must have good result in class 10 according to their feedback. Many are telling that exams went very good, especially in science. I feel so happy because science was taken by me. Most of part science was taken by me. So math paper was so tough, little bit tough, not so tough, little bit tough, but student who prepared conceptually, for them it was not so tough. 1-2 question was little bit puzzling. So once if someone is learning conceptually, for that it was not so tough. So and one more important thing, that many new students joined, so they don't know so much about our environment, our ethics, so they are also supporting us. So I'm requesting, some rule regulation are there, okay, they have to understand the rule regulation. So everybody, if everybody will support in, uh, within coming time, we can see very good momentum. So I am requesting to all to support teachers also. Now we have lots of good teachers, because in last year was after the lockdown, so after effect was also there. That effect also we almost rectify. So we have very good team. I am requesting to everyone to hardly teach. Bonding is important. Students should love their school. Students should love their subject. Teachers should love their duties. Then only it will improve. Okay, if because I'm also liking my work, that's why we're developing. Okay, I'm giving time. The most important time is, if a student is giving less time in a study, so we cannot see better future. You have to give the time. That is the primary things. Student life, the most important thing is that how much you are investing time, that is most important. And I would like to tell some point regarding hostel student. Now in hostel also many students join, good students join, especially in primary section like 5 6 7. So in this regards, I have seen that some student is cooperating with us, and I'm requesting to parents to not come frequently. And if they are facing little bit problem, so they should face, because then only they will become strong. Okay, I was also in hostel. I was in hostel for almost 9 years. So I have seen, like whom will not get environment, like whom will not get food. So in hostel, some rule regulations there. If I can, if student can sustain. If you can, if a student can habitate with the rule and regulation, this is very good for their future. Really, I'm telling from my heart. Okay, I get lots of things during my hostel life. How to communicate, how to become down to earth, no ego problem. Okay, ego problem was eliminated. This was developed in hostel only. How to adjust with people, how to adjust with critical situation, critical thinking, problem solving, solution oriented mind. Sometimes I have seen many talented people, talented students always try to find the what problems, try to create the problems. That should not be. We must have a problem solving oriented mind. Okay, problem to will be there. Life is, in life ups downs take place, problems come, storm come. That is good for us also. That time we have to handle positively. This is most important. Okay, and one important thing, sometimes student or parents call for section changing. So I'm requesting you that here we have all good section. Here, this is my school, my dream school. So I have care about all students. Really, I'm telling from my heart. I never distinguish the things. I never differentiate the things. I am always trying to integrate the things. This is one of the positive things on me, and I value the ethics. Only if someone, okay, if someone wrongly poking or wrongly disturbing, then I don't like. Okay, if you are positively suggesting me something, and if feel comes to my mind, then definitely I generally look after the matter. And limitation are there, because we have almost 700 plus student, so not possible to communicate all with all problems directly. So some problem are solved by our staff, so they should cooperate with the matter. And one important thing, now we are going to implement the office time, because some parents sometimes used to come at like 7 8. We have also some personal life. I have kids, I have to give time to kids. So we have decided to keep office time like 8 to 5. Shortly we will define, and hostel student also don't come like at 7 night, so we face problem that time. Fourth grade staff is not available, so try to obey the rule regulation. Okay, before 5 only you have to drop your words in hostel, and you have to take your words from the hostel in holidays like 9 to or 8 to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. afternoon. So in other time if you come, then we face problem. Sometimes hostel student come in morning time, that also we have faced, because we cannot allow student directly go to hostel, because sometimes student used to bring some unavoidable things, so we have to check properly, and this is also betterment or safety for your words only. So whatever we're doing, you try to obey, that is betterment for school, betterment for your kids only. So I'm trying to do the things from my heart. So if you are cooperating, then I will be thankful, I will be feel happy, and I will get energy also. Wish you all for new session, and the new student who joined in this current session, I'm requesting them to subscribe or share our YouTube channel. This is also important for development of our school. Okay, for this today I'm going to finish. Thank you, have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Akham.